Understanding AI for YouTube Creators. In this video, we explored the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence, AI, and its creative applications for YouTube creators. We began by defining AI as a branch of computer science dedicated to developing software with intelligent capabilities, including learning from experience and making informed decisions. The discussion then shifted to how AI can be effectively employed on YouTube. 3 key points were highlighted. 1. Enhancing viewing experience. AI techniques can analyze viewer preferences, enabling content creators to deliver tailored and engaging material, thus improving the overall viewing experience. 2. Smart content production. Artificial intelligence contributes to the production of intelligent and innovative content by synthesizing diverse materials and generating text and voiceovers. 3. Improving marketing strategies. AI enhances marketing strategies on social media platforms, ultimately increasing content visibility. In conclusion, the video emphasized that AI is not merely a technical concept, but a powerful tool that can be harnessed to elevate the viewer experience and make content more creative and impactful. Viewers were encouraged to share their thoughts on AI's potential applications on YouTube and to subscribe for updates on future content.